Popster Kids on the road. 11 grand finalists won coveted title under the criteria 40% musicality and 60% star quality. Sino kaya ang mapapabilib ng husto sa ating mga judges? For tonight na sina Miss Nanette Inventor, Mr. Raymond Lautchenko, and si Miss Dulce. In scoring the performances of our finalists, our judges use popster faces with corresponding numerical scores. They may either give a happy face, a smiling face, an okay face, a sad face, or a crying face. Ang tatlong grand finalists na makakakuha ng highest average from our judges ang itatanghal na Road Tour Popstars of the Week. Okay, mga Bulakeños, ready na ba kayong marinig ang ating mga finalists? Ako, sobrang ready na ako marinig sila. Setting the bar for tonight's competition, here are Jessica Reynoso, Gisette De La Liana, and Tabitha De Caro.
Alam ko lamang ko yung iiwan, di na sana ako nagmahal ng lubusan, ngunit ang puso ko ay di natuturuan. Limot, yan ay di ko alam kung kaya ikaw ang aking inibig. Yan ay kusang na dumati ko piniling. Sa katunayan nga kahit sa panaginip, laging naroon ka at di maalis. Pilit mang limutin kita, bakit ba hindi magaya? Ano nga bang mayroon ka? Kung kaya ikaw ang aking inibig, yan ay kusang na dumati ko piniling. Sa katunayan nga kahit sa panaginip, laging naroon ka at di maalis. Laging naroon ka, pilit mang limutin ka, laging naroon ka. Now that we have gotten through one more part, I can just admit I've got it all, 'cause I do, 'cause I've got you. It's caused these bad times too many times. It passes through the heart, but it never leaves a mark. 'Cause your love just keeps on healing me. No matter how I prove, if I trust you, your love just keeps on healing me. One more cure, one more chance that wasn't there before. In your arms so pagan all the way I'm feeling. Lord, I know that you're good.